Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials, and today's video I'll walk you through how to add an SMA simple moving average in the TradingView mobile application. So let's get started. First, open your TradingView app and make sure you're logged into your account. Now tap on the chart tab at the bottom. At the bottom of your chart, tap on the analysis hub icon. It looks like a small graph symbol. Now tap on the indicators inside the analysis hub under the tools section. Here, you'll see three sections here: technicals, financials, and community. Make sure you're on the technicals tab. Now tap on the search bar at the top and type SMA or simple moving average. Once you see it, tap on it to add it to your chart. Now go back to your chart. As you can see, the blue line right here, that's your SMA line. You can even customize your SMA line according to your interest. You can adjust the length, change the color or thickness, and even rename the indicator if you want. And that's it. You have successfully added and customized a simple moving average on your TradingView mobile chart. If this video helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell for more easy TradingView mobile tutorials. Let me know in the comments if you have any queries. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.